through. Don't slow up. All the way through, all the way through, all the way through, all the way through. Oh, man, we are done. Thanks for coming out. God bless and good night. You get them every time. Yo, I be trying to tell people these sleds is undefeated, man.
See what y'all got on the field. Hopefully y'all learned something. Yeah, happy y'all came out. Let's have some fun. Let's get it. All right, let's get it. Here we go.
Are you guys excited? Yeah! I didn't hear you. Are you excited? Yeah! One more big round of applause for Jalen. 1, 2, 3.
All right, here we go. All right.
Welcome to another episode of Bird Gang Nation Sports Talk. I'm your host, Bird Gang 31. Today I'm going to give you some updates. You know, Jalen Hurts and some of the other guys on our offense out there putting in that work this off season before training camp. Big ups to the O. Jalen Hurts was here in Alabama at Hoover High School, you know, teaching the kids, helping them with some fundamentals, and also spending time with his receivers, Ward, Smith, and my boy Quez Watkins. They look good this year, man. They are out there grinding. You know, they said they're hungry and don't plan on missing no payments, baby. You know, don't plan on missing no meals, no payments, no nothing. You know, so it's our job to make sure we out on them street corners trapping with them. You know what I'm saying? Spreading the word, show that all that hard work will pay off this year. You know, Chris Sims out there saying Jalen Hurts not even a top 40 quarterback. Come on now. We know his career didn't go nowhere. So I don't expect him to know anything about the position, to be honest. But yeah, I just want to give some shout outs to Big Hurts, you know, coming back to the community, spending some time, showing some leadership, you know, and then bringing your boys, Devontae Smith, you know, Greg Ward, Quez Watkins. You know, I seen the video with BG and Miles Sanders out there grinding, getting ready for the season. Also, next month, Devontae Smith should be here with his football camp. So I'm going to try to get out there and get some video for that. So, you know, pray for me. Hope that I can get out there, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, I just want to let y'all know that I have full faith in our Eagles. And I think we're definitely going to have some people questioning why they doubted us in the first place. You know, like I said before, Hurts season, baby. He is definitely going to be an MVP candidate this year. People don't see it, but I see it. I see us Birds going at least 12-5 for sure. So write it down. Bird Gang Nation, 12-5 this year. You heard it first. You know, we could get more wins than that, depending on, you know, what goes on and how good we rolling. You know, I'd like to see Quez Watkins out there. He's very fast. You know, he's about to show the coaches that he is ready for a role this year. Last year, he was not used at all, and I think that was a big mistake by the coaching staff. But like I said before, this is a new coaching staff, you know, with new ideas, a new quarterback, and it's a new year. So everybody's waiting for the 3 draft picks next year, talking about building on, you know, for the future. But I think this is the season the Birds can go to the bowl. Crazy, but this is that season. Surprising people out of the gate. No one knows our offense, you know? No one knows our defense or our special teams. You know, we got Jalen Hurt, runner-up of the Heisman Trophy winner, only had 4 preseason games last year, you know, since he didn't have training camp in preseason. So you gotta look at those games as only being 4 preseason games. And they trying to hate. But in those games, what do he do? Break records. You know? Break records. Things that no other quarterback's done. But he's a bust. Not a top 40. Come on now. Gotta show some more love for Big Hurts. You know what I'm saying? And Devontae Smith. You know, I am a USC fan. So, Ross St. Brown, that's one of my boys. I ain't gonna hate on him. But he ain't better than Devontae Smith. You know? Come on now. He's the Heisman. When the last time a receiver won the Heisman? You know what I'm saying? When the last time a receiver had that dominant of a season? You know? Everybody wants to say Chase. Jamar Chase didn't even play last year. You know? And his year before that he did good wasn't even as good as Devontae Smith's season last year. You know? The only person I can say that I did see some highlights on is my boy Jalen Waddle here, that from Alabama. That boy put in work. You know, I told y'all before, I did want Jalen Waddle first. I'm on record of saying that. The boy's going to be a beast. But I'm definitely happy with Devontae Smith. You know what I'm saying? Like, he's going to be more than capable of handling the job. You know, with, Rager stepping up. You know, I don't know what Fulgham's been doing. I ain't seen no videos on him yet. But hopefully he's out there grinding. You know, we got Big Goddard there. Our offensive line's dominating. Our defensive line dominating. We got young linebackers ready to fly around, hit somebody, not just get hit on. You know what I'm saying? Like, we got cornerbacks and safeties ready to ball, man. You know, everybody's worried about that second CB spot. You know, I think we can fix it before the season. But at the same time, if we don't, put that rookie in, let him get some PT. You know what I'm saying? We got big play Slay on one side. We picked up boy Harris. That boy's a beast, man. Like, definitely a top 15 safety in the league. You know what I'm saying? And then McLeod is also another baller. So if you got 3 out of 4, I think with that defensive line that we got and that new scheme that we going to be running, yeah, probably ain't got to worry about that second CB spot for real, until next year when we can use one of them top 3 picks to draft one. But yeah, you know, I haven't made a video in a while, so I want to get on here, you know, give y'all my thoughts of what's going on this offseason, what's been going down. Thank you guys for watching again. You know, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. You know, and share my content with other people. You know, Bird Gang Nation soaring. We're, you know, our subscribers list is getting higher and higher. You know, we're trying to get to that first 100, then to that next 100, till we get to 1,000, baby. You know, we're going to fly high like the Eagles always do. So, once again, thanks for watching. Bird Gang out.
To victory! E-A-T-L!